Tell me if you remember this one, yeah. If you remember it, just rock to it. Scene. Check it out now. You speaks of only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade. Wheeler, come again, myself. How you doing? Rasta. Yes, that's how we do it. Of only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away, fade away. He who checks for all his wealth and not for his physical health shall fade away. You what I say? Though some believe in diamonds and pearls and feel like they're on top of the world, they shall fade away. Yeah, you hear what I say? The rich is getting richer every day, while the little that the poor man's got, it shall be taken away. Hey, do you hear what I say? Hey, hear what I say? The man who's always acting smart and forget to carry some love in his heart is gonna fade away. The man that worships silver and gold shall surely, surely, surely lose his soul, then I fade away. Do you believe this? God is here and there and everywhere, and he's got his eyes out watching you. You're gonna fade away, yeah. God is there and everywhere, and you better don't play the game unfair. Oh, my people, beware, or else you fade away. Beware, or else you fade away. You gonna fade, gonna fade, gonna fade, gonna. You gonna fade, gonna fade, gonna fade, gonna. Yeah. You gonna fade away, yeah. Yeah. Brother, what you've done, you're gonna fade, you're gonna, oh, fade away, yeah. Fade in the morning, in the evening too. You're gonna fade away, yeah. Brother, what you done? Watch out, because if you're not careful, you're gonna fade away. Save your soul. Yeah, man. Maximum respect.